This MPP user guide video will be showing you how to create views using the view naming convention in the MPP. So let's start by looking at what the view naming convention is. And the view naming convention is shown on the closeout view in the lower right hand corner. So let's just look at that. So here's our view naming convention. For all floor plans, ceiling plans, sections, and 3D views, we'll use this naming convention. And as you can see, it is broken up into 5 different sections. Not every section will be used in each view name, just the ones that make sense. And view template abbreviation will always be used in the view name. So we'll just go through this section by section, starting with prefix. So prefix is the first part of the view name, and this is just a descriptor that helps define the view a little bit more so that similar views can be grouped together in the project browser. To give you an example of this, we can look at construction documents, floor plans, plumbing, and in here we're using enlarged as a prefix, and we're also using overall as a prefix. So the overall prefix just tells me that this plan is set to show the entire building, and this enlarged prefix is just telling me that it's a blow-up plan. The next part of the view name is the view template abbreviation, and what this is that every view template in the MPP has a view template abbreviation assigned to it. So whatever view template is assigned to your view, the view name will get that view template's abbreviation. So again, looking over here, our overall plumbing plan 0B-underfloor is using the M_plumbing plan view template. So the abbreviation for this template is just plumbing plan. The next section is level abbreviation, and what this is just an abbreviation for whatever level is associated to that view. So again, going back to this plan, we see OB is our abbreviation. That's because this view is associated to the basement level. If we go to the 07, we'll assume that this is associated to level 7, and so forth. So if it's a basement plan, it gets a 0B. If it's a level, it gets the level number, and if it's the roof plan, it gets simply an R. The next section is phase abbreviation, and this is really only used to describe if the view is existing or new construction. So we can go into a working plan, and in here we can see that these couple of plans are using this dash existing, indicating that these are set to an existing phase. Now we don't label the new construction plans with a dash new because most of the plans in the model are going to be set to new construction, and there's no need to put that descriptor there when the default is new construction. And the last part of the view name is the suffix, and again we can go back up to these plumbing drawings for this. This is again like the prefix, used to help group similar views together. So for example, enlarged dash plumbing plan dash 01 dash restroom. Restroom is the prefix. So if we had a underfloor restroom plan and an above floor restroom plan, those two views could be grouped together if they are named similarly. So let's look at how we would create some views. So let's just blow away level 3 through 8 here. Well, yeah, 3 through 8. So say I'm starting a project and I want those levels 3 through 8. What I could do is I can go into plan views, floor plan, select level 3, select the plumbing plan, hit OK. Rename the view overall dash plumbing plan dash 03 no, and there we go. I have one of my 6 views that I want. Now I can keep using this naming convention to create all of them, or what I can do is I can use CTC's view creator tool available in their BIM project suite and create multiple views at once. So here's view creator, and I want to create a floor plan, and the MPP has been set up so that abbreviations already populate in this view creator. So all you should have to do is fill in this information down here and select what levels and template you want to use as well as their phase. So I want to create levels 4 through 8, right? So I select those levels. These are plumbing plans. So I'll select this, and they're going to be new construction. So I want a prefix to indicate that they're overall plans. I want the view template to be the next view name section, followed by level, followed by phase. In this case, because no abbreviation is checked for new construction, no naming will appear here. And I don't need to include a suffix because this descriptor works for our needs. So I click add. It creates those plans for me. I click create views. And there in a couple of seconds I have created views for those missing levels. Now of course you won't have to do this for the basement level, the 1st through the 8th floor, or the roof level in the MPP, as those views have already been created for you. But if you have a larger project, or you just want to add another section of views somewhere, you could use this naming convention and that view creator to create the views pretty quickly. So that's how you create views in the MPP. Now I also want to show you how to create enlarged plans, as the view creator cannot create enlarged plans with a callout on an overall view. So I'm in overall plumbing plan 3, and I want to create an enlarged plumbing plan, right? So let's go to callout, create a callout right here in this area, and as soon as I create that callout, you'll see that it pops up right up here, and so it says callout of overall plumbing plan 03. So this is nice because Revit just puts callout of in front of the name, so our naming convention is preserved. In this case, all we want to do is change the prefix to say enlarged instead of overall, and we apply that, and boom, we have an enlarged plumbing plan of the third floor. And that's how you create enlarge plan. And that's it for view creations.